Hello guys, I am Nashin. Today I will guide you on how to clean boot your computer. To gain full concept in this video, I recommend you watch the video to the end. If you have any problem, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Before I start, I want to thank TechWalks for sponsoring me in this video. Guys, I will be happy if you support me too. By subscribing to my channel and liking this video, you will be supporting me and giving me more morale to create more videos for you. A clean boot means starting Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs so that you can determine whether a background program is interfering with your game or program. Let's start clean booting. Right-click on the Start logo or button on your PC, select and click Run option. You can also open the Run command using the keyboard shortcut by holding the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard at the same time. We will use msconfig to access the system utility. Msconfig is a system utility to troubleshoot the Microsoft Windows startup process. It is called System Configuration in Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, or Windows 11, and Microsoft System Configuration Utility in previous operating systems. Type msconfig in the Run command and hit Enter, or click OK from the Run command. This will open the System Utility window. Navigate to the Services tab. Click on Hide all Microsoft services. By default you will see all the services marked. In my case, I have to select and mark the services manually after hiding all the Microsoft services. Click Disable All. We are doing this to stop all the services that are running in the background. Go to Startup tab and click on Open Task Manager. In the Task Manager, disable all startup applications. From the status column, you can see all my applications are disabled. If your application is enabled, you will have to select the application and right-click to disable it. After disabling all applications, close the Task Manager. Now in the Utility window, click Apply and then the OK button. You will be prompted to restart or exit without restart. I recommend restarting your PC to effectively apply the changes. Click the Restart button to restart immediately.
Thank you for watching my tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and like the video for more updates and support.